Hiya folks, I thought we'd just do a little vlog today. We've got loads going on. Hello, why isn't that light on? There we go. That's a bit better, you can probably see me now. Yeah, so I'll just show you what's going on. Gary's come round, Sharon's doing a bit of stuff and all that. I'm going to be doing this later on, but that'll be in the actual video for the Vauxhall Vectra. So let's have a look what we're doing today. Come on. Right, Gary's having a right mare at the moment. He's got two lawnmowers out there and he's got one ready for sale, but when he started it up, it's vibrating a lot, so it's obviously got a bent crank. So he's taken another engine out of another lawnmower and he couldn't get the boss off. That was the first thing. I haven't got a three-legged puller, I've only got a two-legged puller and it don't really do the job for that. So anyway, I said to him, just take that off, put that in the other motor. Anyway, the studs broke off in the, there's only three fixings to fix these to the decks. And he's been trying to drill two of the holes out for ages and ages. He's given up. Because, I mean, I've got drill bits. Where are we? Let's show you. I mean, I've got loads of drill bits here. I tend to get a lot of these from auctions when I've been to auctions and stuff, or I might buy a couple of sets. Like, I've got this brand new set here which I brought. Now, you'd think that these would be good. And, oh, here we go, look. Now, they all look well and good, but believe it or not, none of these actually are any good for cutting. It says there that they're HSZ, so they're high speed, and every size going there, which you could probably want, and they are no good whatsoever. So we've given up at the moment until we get some decent drill bits. As you can see there, look, we've 3/4 of the way through. He's got that one to drill, and he's also got one down there to drill out as well. Tried holding them on the back and turning them to try and widen them out. It's not working. So he's left that for the minute. As I say, I'm coming back to that. That's dry and ready to go now. I've cut the grass this morning. What's that, Bison? Look, what's that? Hey? Alright, come on, in you go. So it's a lovely sunny day out of here today. And as I say, I've cut the grass over there at the moment, so that's all well and good. And it's really nice working out in the garden in this sort of weather. I really do enjoy it. And as you can see, all nicely done. I've been a busy little bee this morning. There's the old hater lawnmower, the worst lawnmower in the world. You can probably see I've still got it, look. And it's still sitting there, ready to go. That's the one I use, that's my normal lawnmower. It's in a bit of a state at the moment, but it still does the job. I've had that for about 18 years, that one. So, coming back inside, we find Gary now sitting at the dining room table after giving up on the lawnmowers. Hello, Jimmy's back. What are you doing?
Just got for links, isn't it?
Oh yeah, of course you have. Right, what's your problem here?
I'm doing over repairs.
What, it's not coming on?
Well, I do that much over in at home. I've worn it out, I think.
It does that less, it builds up that much, it's clogged up in one go.
You've been sucking up socks again, haven't you?
Yeah.
I hope you tidy this up, you know.
If I can get the Hoover going, I'll Hoover it.
Yeah, right, well hold on, Right, so we've just received this and it's come from, where did it come from, Sharon?
Canada.
Canada. Now, there isn't a note in it though, is there? Was there a note in the bag? Did you look in there, baby?
How scary too.
Well, you better look, love, you know what he's like. He can't even fix all Hoovers or lawnmowers. So we've got this. There's no, we don't know. We know a couple of people in Canada, but what we actually got in there, baby?
It's got the person's signature. It looks like Barry Gray.
Barry Gray. I know Brian Percival in.
No, that's not Percival.
Canada. No, it's not, is it?
No.
But it's come all the way from Canada anyway. Anyway, sent us a brochure there of houses that are in.
Well, no, sorry, Nigeria. Does that help?
Eh?
Niagara region.
Niagara region, there we go, look. So we got that. Don't know where they come from. Well, as you know, we got the Retro Hatch cooking channel. Put the box to the side, love. You seem to be more occupied by the box.
I can't get my hands on it with you there.
Come on,
can
baby, you have a look. Tell them what we
Baby.
got. Tell them what we got.
Bag.
Yeah, go on, get it out. That'll be a Canadian bag, that, believe it or not.
Let's see. Freshco. How much?
Fresco?
Freshco.
Yeah. Get them out and show them what we got. Whoever it is, thanks very much for sending these. We're going to use them. We don't get this brand over here in the UK, do we? What is it? Oh, it's Craft, isn't it? We do get Craft, don't we?
I've
So you
not
got-
seen nothing like
Are
this.
these
here.
already? It's a dry mixed powder.
Here.
It's all different
Oh,
types.
it's a microwave jobby.
It's all types of
Can be.
macaroni there, different shapes. We got what we got there.
Got cream,
in
extra
there, do a zoom in.
creamy, spicy,
So-
original,
Oh, they're all flavoured.
spirals.
So,
Different shells,
I
isn't
wonder
it?
if you had
Macaroni.
milk or water to them. I don't know.
I'll tell you what.
They're a lot more detailed.
Hot water.
Your packaging out there is a lot more detailed. Look at all the information you got on them there compared to what we have in our country. So obviously you're a lot more stringent with what goes in there. Anyway, so that's them. We're happy with that. Yeah, look at him, Garrett, Jimmy. Look, what's he doing?
This might be going down the tip.
It might.
I'll
There's
get him to look
another
on
thing he's done.
YouTube.
You're not supposed to pull them apart.
Oh, yeah?
What are you looking for anyway?
It was a Lego.
Wait, have you found the motor?
Yeah, it's under here.
Right, okay. Well, there's probably a way. Have you checked from the... you said the light comes on still.
Yeah, but it's dead.
So the light comes on,
So
if
the
you
fuse
check
is
the
where?
continuity from the switch to the motor.
Yeah.
Well, he don't understand what you're saying. Talking layman's
Continuity
terms. Yeah, he
means
don't understand.
connection. He
You
knows
tell
that
by
word.
his face. No, you don't.
Hey, do you know that word?
French connection.
French connection. This is the bloke. Yeah, listen to this one. When he was a kid, and we said to him once, we wanted to find out how
Oh,
kids,
don't say that.
how
I
kids
still
were
believe it.
how kids were teaching, getting taught at schools, and we always knew who the Prime Minister was, and we said to him, this was going back in the, was it 98?
I don't. It doesn't matter.
Anyway,
Yeah.
Tony Blair was the president. And
President.
not president, he was
There you go.
he was the, I don't even know, he was the Prime Minister of the UK at the time, and I said to him, do you know who the Prime Minister is? And he said, is it Blair? I said, what, Blair what? He said, Lionel Blair.
He weren't far wrong. He might have done a better job.
We probably would have done actually, but he still
But can
believes.
we say thank you for these?
Yeah, thank you very much, whoever it was. If
Well, I like surprises.
Can you
so
see
that was
Mummy,
a nice
Jimmy?
surprise.
because all you can hear is her voice.
Well, that's
Well, I
what you
can't.
need to do.
Well, you
Not that
as a
big one,
cameraman, you normally step back and then
He's
pan.
not a cameraman.
I'm not a cameraman, am I? So it's alright.
Well, he's not a bleating Hoover having a go.
I can
at.
see
You
that.
can see that, yeah.
I see it, yeah.
Right. So you've just been to Lincoln, Jimmy, yeah?
Yep.
Right. What do you reckon of our spray job so far?
I've not even seen it.
Hey, you're not paying any interest in what I do.
I've been at work all day.
I taught you, boy.
I did trip over a few runs out there though.
Hey?
I did trip over a few runs.
Oh, very funny. There's no runs on that. And the headlights all line up. It's past the MOT. You happy with that, Mummy?
I'm over the moon that
So
my
hopefully
car's
we'll get
back.
it finished today.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it because you're just
Yeah, it
pottering about.
No, we're just doing a video,
This is what
baby.
normally happens.
I was just uploading the food video.
Yeah, don't forget, baby.
Look, the last one. This is the Retro Hacks channel, which I've just uploaded the last of the old videos. I'm just finishing the last video now. Well, I've transferred the videos over from Retrorestore onto Retro Hacks for the cooking channel, but you've probably seen them anyway. But if not, take a look over there anyway.
Used to it. Used to waiting.
And
I'm
yeah,
back to me ironing.
right. You're going back to your ironing, baby. I'll follow you. Hey, I won't follow you then. I'll have to come in the front room. This is where Barney sits on the back of the chairs looking for the squirrel on the fence. He sits on the backs of these chairs, just looking out at the top of that fence line for the squirrel to run along there. He'll sit there for hours to do that. Anyway, let's go and find Sharon. Find out what she's doing. You can tidy that table up. Hey?
Hey?
Was he broken it?
Not yet. I'm waiting for you.
Well, I'm busy filming. Let's go and find Mummy. Come on, Mummy. Mummy's doing some ironing. Look, she's got the blinking.
Oh, leave me alone.
Oh, come on, Mummy. What are you doing? You're in the little side room, aren't you?
My ironing room.
And you're watching telly. Her ironing room, look.
And I've got Netflix on.
What a lucky girl you are, aren't you, baby? Sitting down there.
I'm not sitting, I'm standing.
Oh, I thought you were sitting, baby.
Oh,
So what are you watching?
I don't know, it's a new series.
Come on, Barney. Look, he comes in here. Look, he sits up here. He likes sitting with you, Sharon, here, doesn't he?
Little boy, that's what.
Hey, she's cut all his hair off, haven't you? Look, he's all...
I've got to finish because my charger ran out.
How much will they charge for someone else to cut these?
£30 odd it is.
£30. And she's now got the shears and she does it herself,
Well,
look.
I've got my money back off of them anyway.
Well, of course you have.
They cost me £30, so one
Yeah.
go was got my money back.
Of course you have. Happy days. So we've still got the transit van to do. That's outstanding still. We've had a lot of people asking what we've got to do. The Triumph Acclaim is going to be after the trotter van, as you know. So the Vauxhall Vetra has passed the MOT. We've got the old bumper on it still. Let's take you out there quickly. So it's one of those days where you're doing loads of little things and... No, I didn't say getting nothing done. Look at her shouting at me, look. But just doing stuff, that's it. You've got to do stuff sometimes, you know. So let's just go out the front and have a look. Stay there, Barney. So as you can see, I've just put the old bumper back on for the moment. This is the repair job, as you know, which has been sprayed grey and then just feathered in with 500 paper. And the rest of the ring, you can probably see the scratch lines. I've taken the scratches up to there. That's all 500 up to there. And then this, which is all sort of flat now, that's been gone over with a Scotch-Brite pad. So this whole wing will be re-lacquered, and you'll see that, as I say, in the video. And this bumper's obviously going to come off. The headlight's going to come out. We'll have to mask it all up. But that's ready for work now. So when I feather this in, I'll literally just be feathering it in up to the 500 here, say somewhere around this area, and then the rest of it, then everything will be lacquered all over. As you can see, this one's exactly the same. Although it's a bit dirty at the moment, I will clean it all again. It's all been feathered in. There's a little bit of a mark here which I've just noticed, so that's got to be just smoothed out. I don't know what that is, but again, and another little mark there I've just noticed as well, so that's got to be dealt with. So yeah, that's that's in the process. So you may remember I've done the brake calipers on Gary's car. I've had so many different comments on that. People saying, oh, you should have checked beforehand and all that. Well, I didn't actually order the parts. Gary brought the car out to me after buying them a week previously, so it's not my fault. But one thing I did do, as you probably saw there, and a few people have commented as well, that I put the springs in the wrong way, which we found out afterwards, and I corrected them anyway, so that was done. And also, I did mention in there that, in that video, that for years and years, people used to put copper slip on the back of the brake pads. And I have done it before, though it's not a religious thing that I do all the time, but in that instance I did do it. But apparently you don't need to do it with today's modern brakes. When they assemble today's modern brakes, you don't need that. You used to have anti-squeal plates on the back, and they could dry out with the brake dust. Sometimes they could rattle a bit, and that was the reason why people back in the day, like 20 years ago or so, 30 years ago, used to put copper slip on there. So you don't really need it on there now. That was confirmed to me in the comment section, where people say you don't really need it in today, so that's good as well. And one thing I also done, which I probably shouldn't have done, but I didn't realise at the time, was that you don't really need to copper slip them pins. You know, the pins that slide in and out for the caliper, where they got the rubber boots over them. You don't need to put copper slip on them, because that's a petroleum based apparently, and you really should use something like a silicone grease or something like that, or an equivalent, so it don't deteriorate the rubber boot sitting over them. So yeah, don't use copper slip on your sliding pins on your calipers. Oh. Anyway, that's enough of that. Gary's just called me, and let's go and see what he wants. Right, what you found?
Broken wire.
Oh, it's come off the
Terminal.
yeah, that's off of the from the winding onto the brushes. That's only a simple soldering job, so I suppose I've got to do that, have I?
Well, you can show me how it's done.
Well, you know how to solder, I've told you before, haven't I?
No, not yet.
Watch one of my videos.
Can't find it in the playlist.
Alright, we'll do this, come on in. Right, okay, so I'll just clean the end of this wire up with a bit of sandpaper. Put a little bit of flux on the end of that. I like to dip me tool in the flux as well. So we're just going to get some on the end of here first. Just tin that. There we go, that's tin straight away. Now this has already got flux on it, so right. Yeah, that's a lot stronger, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, that do. Right, I'll leave that for you to put back together. See you in a minute. Right, he's done it, he's put it back together. Let's see what you've done. Do you think it's going to work?
No, if it don't, it's your soldering.
This will be fun. Go on it.
Do you want to switch it on?
No, go on, I'll let you do it. It's your glory. Happy days. Look at that, I told you. That's only going to cost you 40 quid for my call out.
Yeah.
There you go, a little bit of soldering, that's all we done there. Got this working, that means he can go home and do his housework. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Don't forget to put all my tools away.
I normally do.
And I'm going to edit a video. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed this little one. Don't forget to check out my other videos. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty of videos. We've got lawnmower videos, car videos, restore videos, family vlogs, all that sort of stuff. And also the Retro Hacks channel, we do a load of cooking stuff on there. A load of vintage cooking stuff anyway. So if you're interested in that, pop over there and give us a quick subscribe.
Jimmy?
Oh, Mummy.
What?
I fixed the Hoover.
What? Have ya?
Yeah.
Who?
What was it, girl?
Tracy's coming. What do you mean? Ask me, Shell. I fixed it.
I've diagnosed it.
What was it?
Broken wire.
Oh, that's good then.
Shell, Tracy's coming over.
Alright.
She's bringing the kids over.
Yeah.
Alright, bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye,
Bye.
everybody.
Thank you
Thank
for
you
our-
for the gift.
Thank you for our free gifts.
Please let us know who you are so we can thank you
Yeah,
properly.
leave your name in the comment. We'd like to see that. Bye for now.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh.